How to find the endangered animals in Rodeo Stampede. So in Rodeo Stampedes, endangered animals are special class of rare animals. There are about 30 total that you can collect. So how to find endangered animal is simply you'll have to go to the right zone when your run begins. So you'll have to also reach a far region once you take your run. So play every day. Make sure you keep on playing the game every day. You can found different of the events in the game, so tame it like normal animals. So when you see the endangered animal, you keep on riding it, ride it like any other until it becomes your best friend and you befriend it. It's the same taming mechanism, just much rarer. So matching chance the next day. So once you have tamed or seen an endangered that day, you cannot match it the same day. The match or breeding can only happen on the later day when the animal appears again. So that's for the video. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.